everybody! Welcome back to our channel, Imperfect Awakening. I'm James.
And I'm Nicole.
So honey, Halloween's coming up.
Yes, it is!
What are we going to be making today?
So, it's October, Halloween time, and I thought it would be fun to incorporate some spooky treats this week. I'm not going to tell you what they are, except that they resemble mummies and eyeballs. And it'll be really good, really tasty. So you should watch this video so you can see what we make. Ooh. So if you want to learn how to make these mummies and eyeballs, then keep on watching.